Hello, I'm Pat Graham, Leggett Immobilier agent for Meribel Valley, part of the Three Valleys, which is the largest ski area in the world. And here we are in the most luxurious Chalet Cheval Blanc. Let's have a look around. So before we visit this amazing chalet, let me just tell you a little bit more about the Valley of Meribel and the environment that the chalet is situated in. Here we are right next to a ski piste that takes you down to the Olympic gondola right in front of us, ski in, ski out. The Valley of Meribel is in the centre of the Three Valleys, so you're right in the middle of the greatest ski area in the world. So the chalet comprises 7 bedrooms over 5 floors with a lift, parking for 2 vehicles downstairs, a pool, a wonderful cinema room, and this magnificent living space around me here. Each section is separate, but all communicate together. A wonderful place for gathering family or friends. Now just look at this wonderful living space. Here we are, beautiful chimney, south-facing views onto the mountains above. The ski slope passing just in front of the window here. Absolutely delightful. One of the amazing features of the chalet are all the terraces overlooking the Valley of Meribel, situated all over the chalet. And here we are in the kitchen, and as you can see, the quality of the materials and the workmanship is just out of this world. This is exactly what you could expect from a chalet of this type in Meribel. So here we are in the first of what I call the main bedrooms. Look at this, absolutely beautiful. Look at this wonderful view over the swimming pool, high ceiling, all lit, absolutely delightful. And then we have its own private bathroom. All these bathrooms are stylized individually, and each one of them has its own character. So as you can see, each bedroom has its own style, and this one has 2 great balconies giving beautiful views over the whole of the valley. And as you can see, with the quality of the materials used in the bathroom, this is just a wonderful, wonderful bedroom. Every single part of it is exceptional. So just look at this fantastic piece of, this is the technology from years gone by, one of the ski lifts that was used in Meribel back in the day, sitting on top of a roof, right next to your bedroom. So here we are now in my favourite bedroom. Just look at this, wonderful. Old woodwork from the previous Grange building, beautiful open view over the rooftops next to us. And here we are with, again, a little private bathroom. I love this room, absolutely beautiful. But we're not done yet. There's a whole other section to show you now. So just look at this wonderful pool area, absolutely beautiful. You have outside space, connects directly to the living area that we were just in before, plenty of south-facing private terraced area, and a lovely little cozy zone over here to enjoy relaxing after your day's skiing. So here we are in the wonderful bonus section of the chalet. This self-contained apartment has 2 separate bedrooms with ensuite facilities, a wonderful kitchen and living area, and then the cinema room down the end of the hallway here. Well, I hope you've enjoyed visiting Chalet Cheval Blanc with me. If you want any information at all on the chalet, don't hesitate to contact me here at Leggett Immobilier in Meribel, and we hope to see you sometime in Meribel very, very soon. Thanks for viewing.